First of all, make a duplicate of your layer by pressing Ctrl Z. And after that, in this left hand menu, here you have to select the patch tool. So select the patch tool and patch. Here you have to select normal. And now zoom in the photo. Zoom in the photo first of all. Now select the patch tool. And first of all, select your first text letter, just like so. Once you select it, now just click on the selected letter and drag your letter, and once done, just press Ctrl D, and here you can see the first letter successfully hide. And do the same thing for second letter. Select the letter and drag it to hide, and do the same thing for third letter. And here, as you can see, more text. To remove any text from dress, just select the text the same way and drag your text and press Ctrl D, and that's how you'll be able to hide text, unwanted text from your photo.